Hi, welcome to Katrina's Creations. And my KnitCrate came in, and not just one KnitCrate, which is my membership box that I pay for every month. They sent me a fourth month of the Artisan sock box. I was only supposed to get 3, and a fourth one showed up. I did send them an email and say, did you really mean to send it? Not that I'm complaining by any stretch. So we're going to check out and see what kind of goodies are inside. So let's start with the membership box first. This is a box that's $24.99 a month, and that includes your shipping. They do ship internationally. It is 2 skeins of yarn. It's on their in-house brand of yarn, but it's dyed independently. So it is a subscription box. It comes monthly. And I use my scissors here to cut it open. And I'm going to let you guys see it first. So let's see first what the title is for the month. All of their yarns have the same theme. So this is Modern Primary. There's what it looks like. So I'm kind of expecting kind of rainbowish colors here. And let's see what it has to say. Oh, it's going to be a worsted weight. And it comes in 3 possible colors. One is called Equation. One's called School Zone. One is called Dashboard. And it is a bouncy worsted 100% superwash merino. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. The KnitCrate membership box always includes 2 patterns, a crochet pattern and a knit pattern, which I'm not going to look at yet because it'll show a picture of what the yarn maybe looks like, and I don't want to see it ahead of time. So I'm holding my hand in here because if you've watched any of my unboxings, I routinely throw the yarn on the floor by accident. So here you go. You guys get to look at it first. So there it is. Now let me take a peek. Oh, this is my favorite colors. We are talking purple. Kathy, if you're watching, it's purple. Yes. One of my viewers, Kathy, and I both love purple. I'm sure there's lots of you out there that really like purple. And it's got teal. This is a teal here. Almost the color of the KnitCrate box. Right here. You can see it. It's looking more blue, but there you go. You can see it is a teal. And there's purple, and then there's a dark turquoisey kind of color in here. And then there is a light teal, almost a sky blue. And then there is this really pretty green. So I am really thrilled with this. This is a Knitology yarn right here. The colorway is called Paws Off. That's funny because it showed here that the colorway was Equation or School Zone or Dashboard. I don't know. I'm not complaining. I like what I got. It's called Paws Off. It is a bouncy worsted 100% superwash merino. There is 180 yards, which is 164 meters, in each skein, and they give you 2. So how gorgeous is this? I have no clue yet what I'm going to make. Let's check out and see what the patterns are that they have offered up with this yarn. So they have yoga socks and a beach ball cowl. Okay, looks like the knitted one. I think this is knitted. Nope, that looks crocheted. Yes, that's crocheted. And this is knitted. Okay. This is by Laura Bale. It is called Yoga Socks. And you can see why, because her toes are bare and her heels are bare. So this is called Yoga Socks. And that is the crochet pattern. And then Virginia Sattler Reamer has the beach ball cowl, which is this one here. And this is knitted. And I definitely, I'm glad I got the color I did. This is pretty, but I absolutely love this. It will match what I'm wearing. You would think I planned it that way. Look at that. This is going to look gorgeous. Super, super excited. So now let's check out what's in the next box. This is the sock Artisan box. It runs $27.99. It is one skein of a independent dyer's yarn. So it is their yarn base. It is them doing the actual dyeing. And they put a treat in it as well as a sock pattern. They do also offer a regular sock box, which is $19.99. Again, all of their shipping is included. And the regular socks box is on KnitCrate's in-house yarn, which is what this is. This is in-house yarn. So the yarn base itself. But it's dyed for them, but it's using their base. And the cheaper sock box does not have, it has a pattern in it, but it doesn't have a treat in it. So, and it's not as exclusive of a yarn as the Artisan box is. So I'm using my scissors now to open this up. Okay, here we go. Again, they have the theme, which is modern primary again, and the pictured yarns that they're going to show, which I don't want to look at them ahead of time, but anyway, they're called Vintage Barbie or Tetra. Okay, let's see what we get here. Again, it is one skein of yarn. Oh, and there's something canvasy that I'm feeling. Let's see, what should we check? Should we check out the treat? Let's look at the treat first. I can feel it. It feels like some kind of a bag. Oh, it feels like it is a bag. I'm going to close this so I can't peek. It is a zippered project bag, and on it, it says, it has the Kitchener stitch. Isn't that cute? Look at this. The Kitchener stitch. And then it shows you, it has the whole pattern written in here, which is perfect if you're putting socks in here. You don't have to keep the pattern. It has a nice zipper. So, yeah, that's great. Project bags, how could you go wrong? So, perfect sock size. So that is the treat that came with it this month. Now let's take a peek at the yarn. Ta-da! Oh, that's pretty too. It is orange and pink and purple. So we get the box out of the way, and I'll tell you a little bit about this. This is called, it's by Pictured Yarns. That's the name of the company. It is hand-dyed humane wool yarns. And let me see what I can tell you about them. The colorway, this is Vintage Barbie. Okay, I get it. I played with Barbie, not the vintage ones. I played with them in the 70s. But yeah, I can get the pinks and the purples. And yeah, so this is Vintage Barbie. And it is the base is called Aden Sock. The fiber content is 25% superwash wool, 25% nylon. And it's a 100-gram skein, and there are 420 yards or 380 meters. So here it is. I'm going to turn it around so you can see it in all of its Barbie-ish glory. For those of you who are about my age, I had a Malibu Barbie, and she had a beach cover-up in this color. It looked like netting. It was kind of a construction orange, but this is just really pretty. They're not colors I would have put together, but they look nice together. So let's check out the socks that they have included, the sock pattern. We have one by Hannah Woodhead. Oh, it's just one sock pattern. I'm sorry. It is a knitted one. They really look cute. It is called Summer Rain Socks. So it doesn't look like, theirs is not done in the color that I got, so this must have been one of the other colors. It kind of reminds me of like watching something on a computer. These little, or on your TV screen, like a test screen. That's what this reminds me of. This yarn actually looks like it's like red, white, blues, greens, and there's some pink in there. And it looks like it's almost almost self-striping. So I don't know if this would stripe or not. I'm not thinking so, but you never know. But that is my yarn that I got. So that is our KnitCrate for this month, for July 2018. Please watch my videos. On Saturday, we are currently doing a tote along where you can make any tote of your choice. Enter it in our Ravelry group finished object thread, and I'm giving away a skein of KnitCrate yarn. So we have that going along. And this Saturday, we have another giveaway that's being offered. So make sure you stay tuned on Saturday. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do. Click the little red button down below. And if you are interested in KnitCrate, they are offering a special deal. And you can, again, click through the link down below. KnitCrate offers 20% off of your first subscription box. After that, it's the regular price. But if you want to try it out, you can do so and get 20% off. The link is, like I said, down below, and you must put the coupon code KCreations20 in order to get that discount. So thanks again for watching, and make sure you check out my channel on Saturday.